Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. In today's video, we're going over a trading tutorial, and we will be going over the Vortex indicator. Now, the Vortex indicator, for some reason, reminds me a lot of MACD and RSI, but it is quite different, and you have to read it differently. What the Vortex indicator basically measures is how strong a trend is, and if that trend is about to break. That is what the Vortex indicator basically measures. That's what it's all about. And the way it works is when these two lines, right? When these two lines get strongly apart, when they start, widening a lot and there's a lot of divergence, what that means is that the trend is strengthening, whether it's going to be one way or the other. So you can see right over here, when this purplish line gets above the blue line, price will typically go down. That is the bearish sign. When the purple line right here gets above that blue line, that is bearish. And let's look at the chart. Let's see if it measures up. Well, we see right over here, look at this huge price decline in the price of Litecoin. And then look at this purple line over here, right? You can see when the purple line's at a high, price is going down. But then when you look right here and you see the blue line comes up and it pops up for a little bit, then the price goes back up. I'm not hating on Litecoin. I'm just using it for the purpose of this video for educational purposes. Now, what this does and what this means is that you could actually look at this and include it in your trading strategy. Now, this can't be the only thing you're using. And if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency trading, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video. That way you'll be updated with all of my latest videos and future videos, and the YouTube algorithm will notify you. But if you want to learn, you're gonna have to use other indicators. That's besides the point, right? But this indicator is a very strong one, especially if you're trying to, find where the trends are and find where the trend breaks are. And yeah, just to summarize it a bit more, kind of to reiterate, when these lines diverge, it means a trend is getting stronger. And typically, when the purple line is up, that trend is negative. When the blue line is up, that trend is positive. When the trends come closer together, right? When these two trend lines come closer together, what does that mean? It means the trend is coming to a break, because crossings are where the break happens, right? So you can see over here, when these two lines get much closer together, that means the trend is coming to a break, whether it's a bullish break or a bearish break, right? And again, you have to use other indicators. I get that, but the Vortex indicator is a very good one. If you think I did a good job explaining it, let me know in the comment section down below. It's a fairly simple indicator, very beginner friendly, and that's why I included it in this video. And guys, if you want to know what software I am using Trend Spider. My link is in the description. Check it out. Sign up for it. It's very affordable. It beats the heck out of TradingView. If you want to up your trades, use Trend Spider. If you're a beginner, use Trend Spider. It makes it so much easier. There's so many great features with trend lines. You can turn them right on like that. It's great. And I will catch you guys in the next one, and have a great day. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out Trend Spider. Link is in the description and the comment section. Trend Spider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice, and invest at your own risk.